Hello everyone, I'm Storm Tracker Iris Lopez with an updated weather forecast. Now our threat tracker between now and Friday, we're going to be tracking that heat. We're going to be reaching the 90s throughout your week. Those winds are going to be coming up. They shouldn't be too much of an issue, and rain and lightning are going to be low for our threat tracker. Let's go ahead and take a look at our future track model. You can see across El Paso, clear skies, some cloud coverage coming in through your Wednesday 5 p.m. all the way into your Thursday 7 a.m. That's when we can track some clear skies across El Paso all the way into your Thursday 6 p.m. and then once we get into your Friday, the beginning of our weekend, you want to know how those skies are going to be looking? Well, it's going to be clear all across El Paso into your afternoon. That 7-day wind cast, those winds are going to be sticking around by your Wednesday will be at 20 miles per hour. Then they pick up Thursday into Friday. Once we get into Saturday, though, they drop down to 20 miles per hour, picking up again by Sunday into your work week at 30 miles per hour. Now your 7-day raincast. By Thursday, we're going to be reaching up 10% chance of rain, and then once we get into Sunday, that's when we have a higher chance, 20% all the way into your Tuesday for your work week. El Paso, your weekend, Saturday, it's going to be your high of 93 degrees, dropping down to 65. Then by Sunday, 90 is your high with that 20% chance of rain for you all. Now over in Las Cruces, 91 for your high, dropping down to 57 for your low. 88 is going to be your high on Sunday with that 10% chance of rain and breezy conditions for you all. Now that 7-day forecast, let's take a look at that. 90s across the board, as you can see, but like I said, once we get into Saturday, into your Sunday, that is when we have that 20% chance of rain all the way into your work week. But nonetheless, 90s across the board, and it's going to be a beautiful weekend and work week.